Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy Businessman Cam here, back with another video. And you guys, I know I haven't been on this channel. I've been super inactive for about a month now, and a lot has happened since then. I've been super busy with life, so I'm probably gonna do an update video explaining where I've been, because I've gained a lot of subscribers since then. I probably gained like 75 or 80 subscribers since I've been gone. I literally was at like, I don't even remember, 200 something, and now I'm like 350 subscribers. So I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. A lot of you guys are from detailing and stuff, and I'm gonna go into more of an explanation of what I'm gonna be doing with the future of my detailing in a later video coming up. But for today, I just kind of wanted to get a video out for you guys because I've been gone for so long, and I just wanted to get a video for you new subscribers. And today I'm going to be doing more of my eBay type stuff, because this is a business channel. Like I said, I'm kind of going towards more of business and just kind of opening up into different realms of entrepreneurship. And so today I'm going to be doing a what sold video. This is by no means everything that I've sold for like the past couple of probably the past couple weeks and up to like a month. This is 18 items that have sold within the past like two weeks to a month maybe. And there's a few other things, but these are just the most recent items that are showing up. So I'm gonna be going ahead, and I'm gonna stand right here because I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures here of what has sold. So let's go ahead. So the first thing, and also this is going to be kind of a bolo video, so be on the lookout for certain things that you might not have been aware of before. But the first thing that sold was a donkey Funko Pop. I did get this in a lot that I just bought recently that I didn't even share, of 600. I paid $650, hefty stuff. I bought like 300 pieces of toys. Some of them aren't even valuable, but some of them are. So I'm just going to kind of sell the stuff that I know is going to give me some money, which I have been selling, and then I think I'm going to lot up the rest of the toys and stuff that I got and just kind of sell them off on Facebook and Marketplace and try to get some money that way. So yeah, I got a donkey Funko Pop from the movie Shrek. I got $20 plus free shipping. The second thing, which wasn't paid yet, was a Chilton auto repair manual. I got $15 plus $5.85 shipping. This was a repair manual that I bought from the manual lot that I paid $200 for, and I got a bunch of repair manuals, Chilton, Mitchell, a bunch of manuals like that, and this was probably a month ago, and this is the first one that has, this is the first one that has sold that whole time, so I might have to go back and lower the prices. And I have a lot of books just sitting here that I still haven't listed, so that's really bad. But yeah, I got $15 plus $5.85 shipping. The next thing that sold was a Batman Beyond Return of the Joker Gotham little figure. It was a cool little Batman figure. I got this also in that toy lot that I bought for $650. I got $25 pretty much plus free shipping on that. The next thing is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Leonardo Funko Pop. This also came in that same lot. Funko Pops, a lot of people think they're dead. I've been selling them off pretty fine, so yeah, that was the next lookout. And this is definitely a bolo. This was a brand new progressive tempo filter probe. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even sure what that is, but it was brand new in the packaging, and I actually found this at an estate sale that I bought a few other items that you guys will see, one of the other items coming up that sold. This was a brand new piece of equipment or whatever, and I paid $2 for this. Ended up selling it for $70 plus free shipping. And I don't think I said the last price for the Leonardo. It was actually $22.87 plus free shipping, but this one I got $70 plus free shipping. I recently have been looking out for like brand new equipment and things of the such, like pumps, filters, anything like that that's brand new. Usually they're really cheap and they sell really fast. So this was like the last estate sale that I went to for the day when I was garage selling last week, I believe. Comps were there was like 2 or 3 that sold like recently for around like 85 bucks. So I was like, you know what, I listed it at, I believe, 80. I just shot high, went like 85 or something like that, and then I sent an offer out of 70 about like 4 days later, and because there was an interested buyer, and it ended up selling the next morning when I woke up. So I got $70 plus free shipping for that. The next item going out was 2 Funko Pops, a yellow and blue Ranger Metallic GameStop edition. two Funko Pops. I looked these up individually and they were only about maybe worth like 8 to 10. The average price that I paid for those Funkos was $4. Might have been a little high for a buy, to be honest, of that. I think it came with like 70 Funkos or something like that. I'm not really sure. I'm not like super into like Funkos or toys or anything, but I ended up just lotting them together because I saw one sold comp like 2 days prior of two of them that sold together for about the same price. So I just went ahead and lotted them up instead of selling them individually, and got $30 plus free shipping. This next one was also a buy from that little progressive scanner thing that I got, or probe. This was an Atwood bilge pump. It's just some type of pump that I also got for $2 at an estate sale. The estate sales that aren't always run by people are usually the best estate sales. Like this estate sale wasn't run by a real estate agent. So the ones that aren't run by agents are usually the best when it's more like the family. There might have been like one agent, but they were like really chilled. So like it looked like she was about to go ask the family how much they wanted for it, and then she kind of just turned around and was like $2 each. I was like, sure, go for it. So that was another thing that I ended up buying for that. I ended up getting my full price of $55 plus $10 shipping. The next thing, this is definitely a new bolo that I realized recently, was this Garmin Nuvi GPS. Garmin is a new brand that I recently came across of GPSs that actually sell really well. There's some that go in the range of like $300. I recently found a Facebook Marketplace deal that I wanted, but someone else ended up getting too quick. They were selling it for like $45 and it was going for around $125. So that sucks. But anyways, I got this from an estate sale where I bought the next item that you guys will see in like a little group pack for about $170, I believe I paid for all of it. But these Garmins, this literally sold overnight within a few hours. Like I woke up the next day and this was sold for $25 shipped. So and I got like a few other of them that I listed, but I guess this is maybe more of a desirable one. So these are definitely a bolo. Look out for these Garmin little GPSs, because I recently just bought another one at a garage sale that I just went to this weekend, and they seem to sell pretty well. This next item was a really big item. This ended up selling for $339 or $340 plus free shipping, which the shipping ended up being about $45 or so. But this is a Bose Wave Radio music system with multi-CD changer. This I found at the estate sale with the Garmin. This was the second day of the estate sale, I believe, and so everything was 30% off. And when I looked on the Craigslist ad, this wasn't in the original ad. You had to like click another link to go to the full estate sale pictures, and I saw it and I looked it up and I was like, oh shoot, maybe let me go check this out and see if it's still there. So I went to the estate sale on the second day. This estate sale, it literally opened at 8:30 in the morning. I got there at 8 o'clock because there's usually lines for estate sales. There was no one until about 8:35. I had already went in the house, searched everything, and I did go in. I saw it sitting there, and I was like, okay, there's obviously probably some huge price on it. That's why someone didn't get it the first day. So I walked up to it. Sure enough, it said like $240 or something. With the 30% off, it ended up being like $170. So she ended up just throwing in all the Garmins and GPSs and stuff with that for the $170, and she ended up giving me all that for $170. And this is the thing that sold within literally maybe 5 hours of me posting it. I posted it as soon as I got home from garage selling that day, hopped on some video games with my friends, and I saw the notification on my phone that it had sold. So I feel like it was one of the only ones of that kind on the market, so I feel like I could have went a little higher, but it's all good. I still made a good profit on it, so I'm not even worried. The next item was another Funko Pop. It is a Hot Topic exclusive Disney Ariel Mermaid Funko. Ended up selling this for $25 shipped. Also came from the lot of toys. This is another item that I sold. This is a Vintage Brother GX electronic typewriter. I'm not gonna lie, if I were to see this again, I got this from a Goodwill for about $15, I believe. I probably wouldn't pick it up again. It has been there for about maybe 4 months now, 3 months. And when I looked up comps originally, they were selling pretty good. And then I got mine, and now I see them in Goodwill all the time, and they seem so common. So I'm actually really surprised that they're somehow even selling it a couple months later for $45 plus $12.46 shipping. The next one is a Wizard Akami figure. I got this from the GameStop RA buy where everything was like a $5 figure about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, probably a month and a half ago. There's a bunch of $5 figures that GameStop was running, so I ended up buying one. About a bunch of figures actually, and I still have yet to list some of them, but this ended up selling recently, probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, for it looks like about 2 weeks ago, for $18.99 plus free shipping. The next item is an Olympus Pro recorder, cassette recorder. I believe, I don't even remember, I think I got this for a garage sale for $2. Yeah, I got this for a garage sale for $2. I ended up selling it the next day actually for $18.99 plus $4.81 shipping. The next thing is, this is like something that you should definitely be looking out for. This is a HP LaserJet toner that like you usually put like an office printer. I got $25 free shipping for this, and ink literally sells, like there's like bots that people have set up on eBay to buy ink because I don't know, people like resell them and stuff for more profit. But I got this at a garage sale and ended up selling it for $25 the same day, so that was good. These vintage can collectibles, I got 6 Campbell Soup can collectibles that were actually super cool looking. I got these about 3 months ago at a vintage estate sale that was like outdoors. There's a bunch of stuff, and then I saw one comp for these that sold for $100, and it was only one soup can of literally all the same kind, and somehow they sold for $100. Mine didn't sell for months, so after months of lowering the price, I ended up finally receiving an offer for $40 plus $20 shipping, and I ended up took it and I sold it I sold it via promoted listings. This item, I got this North Face hoodie. It had like a little Pabst ribbon beer sign, which I thought would increase the value, but I ended up buying it for I paid up for this one like $15 at a Savers in my local area, which probably wasn't the best buy, but it took about 2 months to sell, but it finally sold. It was a North Face, and it ended up selling for $40 plus $8 shipping. The last two items here are definitely bolos. So this first one was actually the second clock that I bought. These Disney clocks, guys, they sell like literally hotcakes. They're really good to sell. This Small World rhythm clock, I ended up selling this for $129.99 plus $40 shipping. I got this from a garage sale for $50, I believe, in like a group of stuff that I had gotten, and I ended up selling it for that price. And unfortunately, apparently when the box had got there, the glass that was on the front broke. So I honestly, this was probably stupid of me, guys, and you guys are gonna be like, dude, you're an idiot, but I didn't want to deal with having them return it, because it cost a lot of money to ship in the first place, so I would have had to pay for that. So the glass on the front broke, and I was like, you know what, just keep it. I ended up refunding them the full amount because I didn't really want to deal with that, and I only paid $50, and it was in a group of other stuff that I had sold previously, so I was already in the profit. I could have got the clock back and maybe sold it without the glass or something weird like that for maybe like $30-$40 less, but I ended up just taking the L on that one. And the same thing, another Disney World clock. I believe I bought this for $60 at a estate sale. And I started high. I think I was at like $120 for this originally. One of the little pieces didn't spin. It was like a full spinning clock, super nice. But I ended up getting $90 plus $30 shipping on this. And this was hanging on the wall at an estate sale. So always look at your walls at estate sales, because sometimes there's stuff that's hanging that people don't even notice that's for sale. And this ended up being the first clock, and then I got that second wooden clock that you guys just saw before this, and I got positive feedback on that one. So that's about it for this video, guys. I know it was kind of long. I just wanted to show you guys what it sold for me. I'm starting to get into eBay full time as much as I can while doing this college stuff, and that's what I'm going to update you guys about while I've been gone. But I'm trying to, I finally got some money that I was able to invest and start getting more serious into eBay, and so that's what I've been doing. So I'm planning on getting like a little storage room soon, and hopefully starting to really do business, because this could be very helpful while managing real life stuff that I have going on. So anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment if you'd like, and subscribe. So that's been me, your boy Businessman Cam, and I'm out. Peace.